MOM, Ministry of Finance. Destination, National Museum.
So, ito yung Ministry of Defense Station, ano? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga nandito na line para mamaya, ito yung map. Ito yung map na susundan natin kung saan tayo pupunta. So, we are just first time riding a train and we need to go in the airport. Anong masasabi mo sa train, ma'am? Anong impression mo? Okay lang?
Kita ko na yung mga
Ano?
gulong.
What is up mga bay, mga day? Kumusta na kayo dyan? And kumusta na mo diha? And you guys, how are you doing? Nakita na naman ninyo ang aking pagmumuka. Alam nyo ba guys, ngayong araw na to ay mag-i-experience tayo sa metro rail or train ng Saudi Arabia. First time kong sumakay dito sa train na to at bagong bukas lang kasi to, ano. At nandito kami ngayon sa Ministry of Defense. Dito sa gilid na to, ito yung Ministry of Defense. So, ang station ng Ministry of Defense ay nandun sa likod. So, nasa underground itong train station ng Saudi Arabia. So, marami ang station dito. May Gusi Station. Ito yung Ministry of Defense Station. At ano ba yung ano doon? Isang station. Basta marami dito hilera, no? So, etong part na to, etong dito sa mismong pinaparkingan natin, along the road lang tayo, ano? Iiwan natin ang ating sasakyan ngayon dito sa tabing daan. Pero actually, nakaparking tayo sa tamang parkingan, ano? Kasi hindi naman pwedeng pumarking tayo basta-basta lang kasi tawag dito, violation naman tayo, ano? So, ayan, ano? So, first time at hindi ko alam kung anong proseso. Pero, pag nandun na tayo, isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano ang pagsakay ng train na bagong bukas dito sa Saudi Arabia. So, tara. Yung sasakyan pala natin ay nandun lang ngayon. Yun. So, doon natin iniwan, ano? Para mamaya, pag bumalik tayo, syempre, dito pa rin sa Ministry of Defense Station. So, ito yung Ministry of Defense Station, ano? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga nandito na line para mamaya, ito yung map. Ito yung map na susundan natin kung saan tayo pupunta. Hindi ko to alam pero madali lang, no? May nakapagkwento na rin sa akin. Pero tingnan natin kung saan tayo ngayon. Ministry of Defense. So anong line ba to? Green line. Ito. So nandito tayo, itong Ministry of Defense. So Station 19. So, Station 19. So, ito yon. So, dito naman, ito yung pinaka-ano niya. Yung pinaka-highlight, ano. Pero dito naman, ito yung mga linya na kung saan pupunta. Ito, green line papunta. Ang last na line niya is yung papuntang King Salman Park sa Ministry of Education. Madaling i-trace kung saan ka pupunta, no. Pero ang mission natin ngayon ay pupuntang King Khalid International Airport. So, subukan natin kung makakapunta tayo doon, ano. So, ayan, baba na tayo. Paakyat pala to. So, paakyat siya. may sensor yung escalator nila doon. Yan ano. First time kong bumaba dito sa tawag dito itong sa station nila. Medyo kabado tayo kasi hindi natin alam kung anong gagawin natin. Pero madali lang to, subaybayan natin lang kung saan tayo sasakay. May mga instruction naman siguro doon, 'di ba? So baka doon yung kuhanan ng ticket. So subukan natin. Alam yan.
But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe?
Wala talaga tayong idea sa kung paano. So dito pala kukuha ng ticket. So ito yung ticket area, ticketing. So magtatanong tayo. We are just first time riding a train, and we need to go in the airport. How we can like we take ticket for
You can buy the Metro card,
okay,
or you can also
pay in
pay
the
with Apple Pay.
Mada
For
Pay.
real, yeah. For Mada Pay, Apple Pay,
No problem.
yeah.
Where
For real for 2 hours, but you need one card for you, one card for Madam.
Okay.
Yes.
So separate
Yes, separate.
So up to the airport 2 hours.
Okay, yeah, 2 hours I think is enough. If you will take more, you will need to recharge
So
your
how
card.
we can know that we will going to transfer another train?
Because there is announcement, and the last train when you are in the last train, like this is the last
Station.
station.
Ah.
You'll hear announcement, and then you'll come out, and then when you alight, also there is announcement that you need to go and change from this place. There is staff from every place. They can assist you. The
Okay.
same question you are asking, you can ask another staff.
So where we can pay the ticket?
Yeah,
There?
you can start from there, just directly from the gate.
Inside? Going inside or here?
Also, you said you're going to the airport.
Yeah.
Just come, I'll show you from the map. So now you are here, Ministry of Defense. Okay. So you will need to come here, National Museum. So it's like 2 stations to the National Museum.
Not here. Coming here and then like this, no?
This is the easiest because you will just go from here and then straight.
Okay.
If you go here, you'll need to change here and change here. It will be too.
So difficult,
If it's convenient for you, if it's convenient for you, it's okay.
No.
Yeah.
I will.
So this one is the easiest. You will come here, and then you will come direct to Kafdi.
Kafdi, okay.
And then you will change to Yellow Line, which will go direct to you.
Airport. So the airport is yellow line.
Yes, Yellow Line.
This is the blue line.
This is blue
We
line.
are now in green line, right?
Yes.
So blue line going to Kafdi,
Kafdi. Yes.
and then change there going to airport.
Yeah.
Yellow line.
Yes.
So where we can pay?
Yeah,
Inside or
from the
here?
gate. You have any other question?
No, thank you, my friend. What's your name?
Benjamin.
Benjamin.
Yes.
Pay here?
From here.
Okay.
Make sure you tap the same card when you leave out. You need to tap the same card. If you
So
tap Al Raji, you need to use Al Raji when you're going out.
okay. So
If you use a different card, it will not accept.
so different card,
Yeah, you need to pay the same card for you, same card for Madam.
So now I will tap.
Yeah, you'll tap here.
Just direct.
Yeah, directly. Try another gate.
Okay.
Just try another gate. Same place.
Okay.
You can try, but maybe it will not accept. So you need a different card.
Hey. Okay.
But
This
make
is
sure you use the same card.
the same card,
Yeah.
When you out, his hair card and my card. Okay. So ayun guys, pag pumasok pala kayo dito, kailangan iba't iba ang gamit natin na na pambayad. Kunyari itong ATM card ko, pwede naman magbayad kasi sa ATM card. At yung sa kasama ko, si Mrs. ay ibang card din ang gamit niya. So kailangan individual ang gagamitin sa pagbayad, hindi yung Sa isang tao, dalawa hindi pwede. So ngayon, may guide na tayo kanina, yung Kenyan na si Benjamin. Una muna, nasa green line tayo at pupunta tayong blue line. So blue line to last CAFD. At tatransfer tayo ng yellow line to airport. So, ayun, actually, at least ang importante, alam natin ang proseso kung paano sumakay. May dalawang option. Kukuha ka ng Metro card mismo na ginagamit nila sa pagbiyahe. At yun ay kung regular ka na sasakay ng train. So, ayun, Pero ito ay sinubukan lang naman natin para ma-experience natin kung ano ba talaga ang metro train ng Saudi Arabia. So, ginamit natin yung ating ATM card lang. So, may mga section din pala sila guys, May family section. Ito kami mag-asawa. So, dito kami maghihintay ngayon. So, out pala to. So, kailangan makita din natin yung indication kung saan tayo papasok.
القطار القادم متجه إلى المتحف الوطني. الرجاء انتظار خروج الركاب قبل الصعود والانتباه للفجر.
So, dito.
يرجى الانتباه. يمنع تناول الأطعمة والمشروبات في وسائل النقل العام.
So, kung single ka naman, kung wala kang jowa, dito.
The consumption of food and drink is not allowed inside vehicles of the public transport network.
So dito kami sa family, kasi family naman kami. Okay. So, ayan guys, nakasakay na tayo ngayon ng train. So, nasa family section kami. And going to National Museum. Babe, first time. First time ng asawa ko. Ang bilis daw. So, next station pala is National Museum na tayo. So, andito na tayo, bababa tayo ngayon. So, kasi lilipat tayo sa blue line. So, nasa green line kasi tayo, kasalukuyan.
هذه آخر محطة لهذا القطار. الرجاء عدم الصعود.
Attention please. This is the last stop for this train.
So, National Museum.
This train.
Hello. We want to go on blue line.
Yes.
Going to airport.
Yeah, go there. Press 3, then upside. Press
3.
3
And
for blue line. Lift inside.
okay. And then there is that
Then change to yellow line.
CAFD, last CAFD, right?
Yes. So then
After CAFD, going to yellow line.
yellow line, they will take you the terminal.
3,
Yes.
Thank you. So, may mga direction naman na pwede nating sundin. Pwede ka magtanong kung hindi mo alam kung saan ang pupuntahan mo. So, ayan, mag-elevator tayo. Basta wag lang kayong matakot magtanong kung hindi ninyo alam kung saan kayo pupunta.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game.
Anong masasabi mo sa train, ma'am?
Ayan, driver.
Anong impression mo? Okay lang?
Nakikita ko daw yung mga
Ano?
mga gulong.
Ano gulong?
هذه
45 minutes going to the last airport.
Half the station. There not maybe more.
Downside? So this is the last station for Blue. Blue.
For north is south line,
Mm-hmm.
and this one for south and Darubeba.
So now we are transferring the yellow line, right? So ayan, transfer na naman tayo ng yellow line going to airport. Thank you very much. So for now, we are here in the transportation center, right?
Yeah.
And now our final destination, we're going to National Museum.
Yeah.
And then transfer here. This train, green line, right? Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
انتبه للفجوة بين الوصول والقطار. Ministry Finance.
So, bago ko makalimutan pala guys, ang biyahe ng station to station is nasa 1 minute and 3 seconds. So, wala pa siyang 2 minutes, makakarating ka na sa kabilang station. So, mabilis ang biyahe ng train. Kung ang biyahe mo ay isang line lang, kunyari yung sa green line ka lang or hindi ka natatransfer sa blue line, kasi kung na-transfer ka, medyo long distance kumbaga ang mangyayari sa biyahe mo, kasi parang from north to south, from west to east, parang ganun. Kasi isa din yung paglilipat ka, parang magulo kasi yung yung hindi mo kabisado ba yung lilipatan mo, pero may mga direction nga naman. Yun nga sabi ko pero kailangan masanay ka sa pagsakay ng train dito kung ano yung direction nila, so para hindi ka rin tawag dito mawala at mahirapan. So ayan, Ministry of Defense na tayo at bababa na tayo.
This train is bound for Ministry of Education.
So ayan guys, dumating na tayo dito mismo sa Ministry of Defense kung saan tayo galing kanina, So una, syempre kakabahan ka sa pag-una mong sakay. Syempre first time is nakakatakot talaga, Pero pag nasubukan mo na, hindi naman siya mahirap. Yung pagkabisado lang talaga ang iyong problema. Kailangan kabisaduhin mo yung pupuntahan. Ang importante naman yung proseso, Yung proseso sa sa pagsakay, 'yon. 'Yan ang ibig kong sabihin. So kung marunong ka lang talagang magtanong, hindi ka mawawala. Actually, madali lang naman. May mga arrow sign naman sila kung saan ka talaga pupunta. May going to green line, mga ganon, ganito, ganyan. So, kumbaga, understandable yung mga sign nila dito sa loob. Pero, syempre, pag nahiya ka magtanong, di mawawala ka talaga. Yun ang problema.
I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there.
Assalamualaikum. Where to go? The Ministry of Defense? The other side or here? Ministry of Defense.
Yes. Here.
Okay. So we are now in 2226, right? This National Museum.
Yes.
And then finance, defense. What? Okay, thank you. So ayan guys, ano, dito ko natatapusin ang aking vlog at siguro naman ay kahit papaano may naging idea kayo kung paano sumakay ng Riyadh Metro Train. At least kahit papaano nakapagbigay ako sa inyo ng idea kung paano sumakay at kung paano bumayad. Pwedeng irekta yung ating ATM machine. Yung ATM card natin na normal na ATM card na ginagamit natin sa pangsahod, at kung yung STC Pay din card, ano, kasi Visa yon, pwede ring i-direct yon doon mismo sa machine kung saan ka mag-i-enter. Huwag kayong kumuha doon ng ticket doon sa ticket booth kasi pwede namang hindi. Within 2 hours, kahit lamas-pasok ka dito sa loob, ay walang bayad. Dapat lang din ang gamitin ninyo ay yung mismong ATM din na sinwipe ninyo kung ano ang binayad ninyo. Yun din ang gamitin ninyo. So, akit na tayo sa labas. Doon sa taas para palabas. Kasi nandun yung sasakyan natin. Di ko na patatagalin uli ang aking vlog at huwag nyo sanang kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko ng mga video. At lagi nyong tandaan, just only love mga bye mga day. So see you on my next vlog. Peace.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough, but that's what makes a personality.